Welcome back. In the previous lecture, we have solved one numerical example on Bode plot and the procedure was well elaborated. In this lecture, we will solve one more problem where the system under consideration is of third order and all poles are in the left half of S plane. So there is no pole at origin. So let us begin with it. So we have the given transfer function g of s equal to 100 upon s plus 1 into s plus 2 into s plus 5. Then its frequency response function g of j omega can be obtained by replacing s with j omega to get g of j omega equal to 100 upon j omega plus 1 into j omega plus 2 into j omega plus 5. And this is not in standard format, so we need to take 2 common from this and 5 common from this. So it will be 100 by 10 will be 10 upon 1 plus j omega into 1 plus j omega by 2 into 1 plus j omega by 5. So now it is in the standard form. So let us begin with the analysis for gain plot. So we will arrange all the factors in the ascending order of frequency. The first factor will be gain k equal to 10. Then its individual effect will be 20 log k equal to 20 log 10 is 20 dB for all omega, and the overall effect will be considered in the plot. The second factor will be pole with omega equal to 1. And as it is a pole, its effect is minus 20 dB per decade and it will be from omega equal to 1. So its impact will start with omega equal to 1 and overall effect will be minus 20 dB per decade from omega equal to 1 up to next factor, that is omega equal to 2. Then the third factor is pole with omega equal to 2, and as it is a pole, its impact will be 20 dB per decade from its frequency omega equal to 2, and overall effect will be minus 20 plus minus 20, that is minus 40 dB per decade from omega equal to 2 up to omega equal to 5. Then the last factor is a pole with omega equal to 5, and its impact will be again minus 20 dB per decade from its corner frequency, that is omega equal to 5. Overall impact will be minus 20 plus minus 40 plus minus 20 is minus 60 dB per decade from omega equal to 5 onwards. So information for the gain plot is acquired, and the starting point, let us draw it on the plot. So here the starting frequency is chosen as 0.1 and there is no pole at origin. So starting point will be 20 log k plus 0, that is 20 dB, and the slope up to omega equal to 1, from omega equal to 1 it's minus 20 dB per decade, plus up to omega equal to 1 the slope will be 0 dB per decade, and this is because there is no pole at origin. So this impact will be, initially it will be 20 log k, that is 20 is the starting point, and it will be up to omega equal to 1. From omega equal to 1 to 2, the slope is minus 20 dB per decade. So the line parallel to the slope minus 20 dB per decade, and that is from 1 to 2. From 2 to 5, it's minus 40 dB per decade. So this is minus 40 dB per decade line. Because this is minus 40 dB per decade line, same line can be taken from here. So once you become habitual, no need to draw these projections. So this is a minus 40 dB per decade line. Up to 5. So this one, and from 5 onwards, it's 60 dB per decade line. So this is the 60 dB per decade line. So gain plot is complete, and the omega PC is coming around 4.2 omega GC. We will mark it later on. Next will be analysis for phase plot. And the equation for phase is, from this it can be obtained. All are poles, they are in the denominator. So minus tan inverse of omega for this. Second will be minus tan inverse of omega by 2 for this pole, minus tan inverse of omega by 5. And then different values of omega we will choose as 0.1, 0.2, 0.5, 1, 2, and we will mark their phase. And same thing we will do for omega equal to 5, 10, 20, 50 and infinity. We have already done it at the back end. It is 9.72 degree. For 0.2 it is coming 19.31. How it can be done? Just put this value in the formula, you will get pi, and put your calculator in degree mode. Minus 46.31, minus 82.87, minus 130.24. For 5 it's minus 191.89. For 10 it is minus 226.41. For 20 it is minus 247.39. And for 50 it is minus 260.85. No, we cannot plot these exact values because of the large scale on the graph, and it is 9.72 to this point. Then at 0.2 it's 19 here. Then at 0.5, because one small line corresponds to 9 degree. For 0.5 it is 46, for 1 it is 82, for 2 it is 130, for 5 it's 191, for 10 it's 226, for 20 it's 247, and for 50 is 260. And then join this with freehand. And omega PC is coming around 4.2. So now let us come to the conclusion. From Bode plot, omega GC is equal to 4.2 radian per second. Omega PC is equal to 4.2 radian per second. As both are same, gain margin will be 0 dB. Why? Because if we take projection from this, it will exactly come on the 0 dB. So gain margin is 0 and phase margin is also 0 degree. Why? Because if we take projection here, it will be minus 180 degree, and as so system will be marginally stable. Why? Because both frequencies are same and gain margin and phase margin is 0 dB and 0 degree respectively. However, in practice, this system may be slightly stable or slightly unstable also because of the tolerances that has to be considered while considering the analysis. It is enough in this lecture. In the next lecture, we will solve one more problem but with some different form. Thank you.